Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So for today's video naman is, ano bang gagawin natin today? So first of all, kumusta na kayo lahat? Ito na nga guys. So we actually we've been looking in the commercial about these phones. So ayan na, excited mag-unbox. We are gonna do some unboxing. Ayan! So, this is the S24 Ultra Samsung Galaxy. Oh, di ba guys? So, one for my husband and one for me. So, I got the titanium violet and my husband got the titanium black, of course. So, ayan. So, inupin niya kanina sa store just to be sure that he's got the right color that he want. Ayan guys. So, di ba? We're actually not wanting to get this today. But I don't know why we kind of talking about it. Then we just decided to go and hit the store. So that's what we got. We went to the store about maybe an hour ago, and then because this was actually they have a deal on this one. So or both of them they have a deal for this too. So yeah guys. So i-open ko na yung ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung sa aking pinakamamahal na asawa. Ayan. So guys, look. This is brand new. So, the price for this one is $1,300. So, calculated. So, ayan guys. So, kasi nakita namin is yung mga reviews nito is napakaganda talaga. So, lahat I don't know, but everything that we are looking for is, I think, nandito. I'm not sure if this is charge up. So, hindi siguro siya naka-charge. Ayun guys, so, kailangan pa, I think it did it. Oh, sorry. Ito pala guys, diba, may cover pa siya. Hindi ko muna yun kasi dito sa akin, this is for my husband. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys na, ayan, nag-open na siya. I-turn off ko ulit. This is not mine. I don't wanna touch this one. Oops. Hold on. Power off ko muna siya guys. Ayan. Oh, power off. Ayan. Power off. Okay guys, so this one is what we like about this deal is kasi naka-unlock siya. So, we can still carry the plan or the carrier that we wanted or that we already have kasi nga naka-unlock yung phone niya. Yun guys, yung pag bumibili kami ng phone, usually gusto ko yung naka-unlock kasi kahit anong carrier is pwede. So, ayan. So, ito yung advantage ng phone na to na binili na. Kasi yung iba is actually, they're locked in AT&T, Verizon, and some other phone carrier. So, ito is unlocked. So, ang napakadali. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna transfer all my files or all my stuff from my old phone. And then, I'm good to go. So, I don't have to change my plan carrier. So, continue ko lang siya. Which is very nice kasi I like Bose Mobile. First thing that I really like it is because they're cheaper than other carrier for me anyway. Okay, so because I only use it when I was out or I go somewhere, but if I go to work or here at home, we have internet connection at work, and of course here we are connection at home. So, ginagamit ko lang talaga yung ko guys is pag nasa labas ako, outside the house or outside the work. Pag either of those two, yung ko lang gagamitin. Pero pag hindi naman is talaga, bihira ko lang magamit yung service ko. Kaya, so why not stick to a cheaper plan, right? Para hindi naman So, yun lang. Huwag na tayong mag-explain ng napakadami pa. So, ayan nga guys. So, bago kami pumunta kanina sa store is nanood muna kami ng YouTube videos nito sa mga reviews. Ano ba yung advantage, disadvantage. Mostly yung nakikita namin is napakaganda ng mga review about this phone kasi may AI technology siya. And then, marami siya, may ano, may eraser, may background, basta marami siya. Hindi ko na-explain kasi I'm not really an expert. I was just going through what, what I heard from him na which I think is very useful for what I am intended to use it for. Ayan, so ito yung sasawa ko is titanium black. Oh, baliktad pala. So, ganyan siya nakalagay. So, titanium black, brand new. Ayan, so, i-open ko naman yung sa akin, which is, I'm excited. Well, yeah, sabi ko nga guys kanina is, hindi ko talaga na-expect na bibili kami ng phone today kasi, yeah, I like to upgrade my phone, pero, not this time pa kasi nga maraming pinagagastusan, di ba? Pero, I was thinking, kasi nga itong guys is, yung, ito is yung, ano ba? Basta yung ano niya is hanggang 7 years. Yung upgrade niya, yun. Yan, kaya is, na-attract talaga ako na bumili nito kasi yung, ano niya, yung, it's good for 7 years yung mga upgrades. So, ayan, kahit hindi ka bumili ng phone in 7 years, your phone is still good to go. Unlike those other phone na parang naiiwan na siya ng technology, di ba? So, ayan. Yeah, so, ito na nga guys. So, bumili kami. Of course, 20 kami sa phone ngayon. So, ito na rin guys is yung regalo namin for our anniversary, which is yesterday. Ayan, yesterday is kumain lang kami kasi I don't know why. Maybe I'm just so tired. Tapos, kumain lang kami. Then, after that is umuwi na kami. So, ayan. So ngayon is, it's our anniversary naman, diba? Kaya, ayan, we treat ourselves. Oh, yan guys. So, this is titanium violet, yung sa akin. Oh, diba? Ayan. Oh, oops, careful. Oh, diba? Oh. Ayan siya, guys. Of course, may S Pen siya. Ay, hindi pa pala, kasi hindi pa naka-on. Okay, so, hindi siya magpa-pop up kasi hindi ka naka-turn on yung phone. So, ayan. Ay, nako, parang ayokong tanggalin yung cover niya. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ibabalik ko. Ayan, ibalik muna natin. Oh, di ba? Tapos yung camera niya, tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Tapos nakita ko yung resolution ng camera doon sa YouTube video na pinanood namin is ang ganda ng resolution niya. Tapos may AI siya na pwedeng pang erase. Tapos marami talaga, marami. Kasi, yeah, marami. Tapos, alam niyo naman yung S Pen, guys. So, yung S Pen is, usually, yung may S Pen is a Note, Samsung Note siya. Pero ngayon, I think they start doing it on the S23, yung may S Pen na. S23 Ultra. Yun yung may S Pen. So, ngayon, kasi yung Note, it usually comes with the S Pen talaga. So, yung old phone ko is, yan, Note. Kaya may S Pen. Tapos, ito, it comes to the S Pen. Ayan. So, ayan siya, guys. Of course. Tapos, alam nyo, guys, ano talaga siya is good quality. Makikita nyo naman. Oh, ayan. So, brand new. Dalawang brand new phone. So, bali, yung binayaran ko, guys, is, yung binayaran namin is, nako, super laki. We paid $23.77. So, bali, $2,377. So, yun yung binayaran namin dito sa dalawang phone. That's with, kasi nga, it's on clearance. Pero, as I'm saying earlier guys, kasi naka-unlock siya, which is an advantage. So, ayan, kung gusto nyo mag-stay sa carrier nyo, maganda talaga to. So, hindi ka force na lumipat sa ibang carrier kasi ito is unlock. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Unlock is good, okay? So, ayan. Kasi pag hindi to unlock is, so, let's say, hindi to unlock, tapos yung carrier mo is AT&T or T-Mobile or Verizon is, you have to wait at least 2 years bago mo may unlock yung phone mo. Of course, tatawag ka sa kanila, then i-unlock nila yung phone mo yon. So, tapos makakapag-ano ka na ng ibang carrier. But with this phone is, yung binili namin ha, I don't know with, yung other phone na S23 Ultra din is, hindi ko alam kung everyone is unlocked. Pero ito talaga is naka-unlock. So, ayan, 'di ba? Nakamura na tayo. Doble na yung ano natin kasi naka-unlock na tapos naka-discount pa tayo. Ayan guys, so ito na nga, let's see. Pakita ko sa inyo both side. Oh, hawakan ko, nako, parang ayokong ano. So ito yung titanium black and ito naman yung titanium violet. Oh, saan ka pa guys? Ayan. So, yan. O, diba? Tingnan nyo naman yung camera. Ang daming camera, diba? Parang makikita na lahat ng ano butas sa mukha mo. Kita ba lahat? Okay, so, ayan, makikita lahat ng butas sa mukha. All the way through na. So, ayan. So, I'm so happy with my color choice. And my husband was really happy with this one here kasi, ayan, so macho talaga yung kulay. Ang sa akin naman is, girly girly. No, I like this one too. So, ayan nga. Oops. Yeah, I have to be very, very careful because twice, guys, na-drop ko yung phone ko. Yung isa, hindi na talaga naanuhan. So, sayang. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman nun. So, ayan. Ano ba yun? Why? Okay, so, ito na nga. Ano ba yun? Paulit-ulit na lang tayo, no? So, okay. And, of course, bumili na rin ako ng phone case for me. And then, yung husband ko is, pili na siya ng phone case for his phone. Kasi gusto niya yung, nakikita niya yung, hindi yung black. Kasi, mahirap makita yung black. Oh. Especially pag phone or wallet, hindi niya makita yon. Ayan guys, so ito na yung binili kong phone case, yung may takip, just to be safe kasi naku, wag naman. Kahit yung phone case is kasi Best Buy, diba, they're a little bit more expensive. So ito, pero maganda naman siya guys, maganda, parang durable naman. Tapos let me try it. Try kong i-fit yung ano ko. Ayan. Let's see if it fit. Ayan, guys. Ouch. Let's see. Paano ba? Siguro, ito muna. Paunahin natin yung ayan. Oh, saktong-sakto. Oh, diba? Ayan. Tapos, ang ganda naman kasi makikita mo. Oh, may butas. Oh, kasi nag-ano na ako guys, kasi nga ilang beses na akong nahulugan ng phone. Tapos yung end up is nagka-crack yung isa talaga is napuruhan. Nag-crack talaga yung ano niya. No-open ko pa, but then after a while na naka-turn on siya is nagba-black out. So, yeah, sayang talaga. Tapos, this one naman, yung ginagamit ko today is hindi naman nag-crack yung ano niya. Yung protection, nag-crack siya. Ewan ko ba? I choose the one that is, a little bit, better. Or what he said is better choice. But still, nag-crack pa rin yung, protection niya. So, ayan siya guys. Saan ka pa niyan? Oh, ayan guys. So, ayan. So pretty. So pretty. And this tubby joke. No. Ang ganda siya talaga. I don't know. So, this is our first 20 phone. But of course, for this one, because my husband's gonna keep his old phone, keep it running and get this one. So, we have to order another, plan for this one, which is very easy. We just have to order it online. I know how to do it. Of course, I've been doing it. Tapos ako naman is ito transfer ko lang lahat ng information ko dito sa aking new phone. Ayan guys. Thank you so much guys for watching na naman dito sa ating kaek-ekan. Siya nga pala guys, ito nga pala guys is, sabi ko nga kasi nasa sa Best Buy medyo may kamahalan siya. Kaya ang binayad ko dyan is so bali is, I think this is 36 something. So yeah, $36. Yung hindi ka naman kasi maganda naman. Tapos ayun niya sinasabi ko. Tapos, ang gagawin ko guys is just have to be careful with my phone now kasi yeah, I wanna keep this for 7 years or more. Ayoko mo nang bumili ng phone. Bawi-bawi. Ayan guys. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. So, ayan na tayo. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary to us. Happy anniversary to us.